know what? Sundays are fun day. So today we're going hiking.
We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Where we going? Tell them what we going to.
We are going up north, Georgia.
I don't know who it is, your boy Big Play Ray on Desi's channel. You know what I mean? Streaming. We on our way to, where we going again? One more time.
We're going up north.
We're going up north. We about
North
to go.
Georgia.
We about to go hiking. You know what I'm saying? About to give me some exercise. Y'all know I've been working out, the chest lifting crazy.
Right. You want all the attention. Just give them all the attention.
Yeah, I need all of that. I need all the money. I need all the attention. I need all of it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he likes.
I need all the muscle. You know. Yeah. Damn, I went the wrong way.
So we are definitely stuck in traffic.
This way, bro.
I don't know what he got going on. Like everybody braking bumper to bumper. We just like Sunday no fun day today right now in traffic, you know?
Oh, okay. It's an accident right there. Now let me show y'all how to drive. Alright? I want y'all to pay close attention. So we got some little traffic up there, you know, everybody all squished up. This is what we gonna do. We not gonna play. Should we cut him? I don't know. We'll see. Let's get
we ain't gonna cut him.
Let's get a little closer. Okay, we kind of packing up. I know y'all getting kind of nervous, but look, they opened it up right here for us, so we scoot over there, right? We ain't worried about too much.
But the
we
traffic
ain't waiting
right
on none of
here.
this. We ain't waiting on none of this, Hustle Nation. Y'all know how Big Play Ray do it. We ain't waiting on none of this. Let me over. I ain't waiting on none of that. Yeah, I ain't waiting on none of that. No, I ain't waiting on none of this. I'll go all the way up to the front. This how y'all supposed to drive. I'll go all the way up there to the police if I have to. I ain't about to be waiting all the way back there in line. Do I look like the type to wait in line, y'all? Look at this. Look. Do I look like the type to wait in line? Come on, stop playing with me. I'm the best driver in the world. Y'all be careful now.
He don't go hiking. He don't go out of town.
I don't go nowhere. So we definitely doing something different today, guys. Check it out, though. I just want to show y'all around this little weird, like. We did just see a Walmart, though, right?
Yeah, we saw Walmart.
We did just see a Walmart. You know what I'm saying? Sure did.
Look at this view, though.
It's crazy. Zoom y'all in so y'all get the full take us?
Yes.
All right, so y'all see what's going on. We gotta be really careful out here, man. We got people, houses, and everything right here, man. You know, this would be a good time if I had like a. Oh, I'm in neutral. I'm tweaking. I'm sorry.
Oh shit.
This would be a good time if I had like a truck or something going down this dirt road. You been down this way before?
Yes.
Okay. So you and the Toyota been riding, okay.
What is wrong?
For real. You probably be speeding through this and everything, don't you?
Hell yeah, I don't give a fuck. I'll just go.
You probably be all on the rocks, huh?
Not that bad. What the fuck you
I'm going
saying?
too slow though, huh, for you?
What, you going like 10 miles per hour? I'll probably go 15 miles per hour.
See, I'm going 7.
You was going 9.
So y'all see what's going on, man. You gotta be real careful out here. You gotta be real careful out here. You see what's going on. But she got me on this dirt road. You know what I'm saying? You gotta definitely have you some protection out here, you know what I mean? Check it out though, we gotta look. Hey, I gotta go across this water?
Look at this butterfly, guys. Look at the butterflies. They be nesting over here. Okay, I know that. Oh man. Well, the GPS that take you here.
And you said you've been down this way before?
I did.
And you ain't drive through this?
No, then.
Okay.
It might take me a different way.
Let's
It's
go
similar.
back. Let's go back.
This is pretty though.
It is nice.
Yeah.
It is. We're walking across.
No.
Alright, come on.
You gonna tell me to walk across. You see the butterflies? They be nesting over here. There's too many of them.
Y'all see what's going on. We definitely are not doing that. We're gonna get out of the way. Let's see.
Oh, he stopped to get out the car.
Let's see. I'm gonna get out his way. I'm gonna come over here to the left.
Yo, he is coming.
That is crazy.
Yo, that's what's up. Yeah, I want me a Jeep now. I ain't playing about that shit.
Y'all see him, man. I'm sorry, am I not getting him? Damn. Oh, he came
He
through.
made it.
Yo, that's what's up, man. Hey, we can't do that, Hustle Nation. All right.
Listen, the old lady.
Yeah, we definitely can't do that, Hustle Nation. So we about to turn around.